Hi friends, welcome back to Happy Quiz.
Think you can guess 40 fruits from images? Let's find out! They're ranked from easy to impossible. Let's go for the easy level. First fruit: peach, apple, or pear. Apple. You know this fruit? Raspberry, cherry, or strawberry? Not easy. Strawberry. Name this fruit: mango, banana, or coconut? I'm sure you know this one. Bananas. Question number 4. Tangerine, grapefruit, or orange? Orange. You know this fruit? Cherry, plum, or raspberry? Cherry. Lemon, quince, or kumquat? Lemon. Avocado, coconut, or kiwi? Kiwi. Watermelon, melon, or papaya? Yes, it's a melon. Question number 9. Pineapple, durian, or jackfruit? Pineapple. Cherry, grapes, or red currant? Well done! It's grapes. Medium level, time to step up your game. Blackberry, raspberry, or blueberry? Raspberry. Apple, guava, or pear? Pear. Mango, papaya, or peach? Mango. Peach, tangerine, or nectarine? Tangerine. What's the fruit? Papaya, mango, or avocado? Papaya. Question number 16. Peach, apricot, or mango? Apricot. Clementine, orange, or grapefruit? Grapefruit. Name this fruit: melon, watermelon, or grapefruit? Yes! It's a watermelon. Blueberry, cherry, or pomegranate? Blueberry. Question number 20. Lemon, guava, or watermelon? Do you have the answer? Guava. No holding back, it's the hard level. Do you know this fruit? Mangosteen, durian, or pineapple? Durian. Dragon fruit, strawberry, or tomato? It's dragon fruit. Question number 23. Pomegranate, cherry, or tomato? Tomato. Do you know this fruit? Peach, plum, or cherry? Plum. Do you know this fruit? Date, loquat, or tamarind? Date. Lime, kiwi, or avocado? Avocado. Peach, apricot, or apple? Peach. Prickly pear, passion fruit, or Mirabelle plum? Passion fruit. Name this fruit. Coconut, lychee, or melon? Coconut. You know this fruit? Guava, lychee, or dragon fruit? Lychee. Possible level, are you ready to be a hero? Guess the fruit. Nectarine, apricot, or guava? Nectarine. Pomegranate, or fig? Fig. Name this fruit. Red currant, raspberry, or blackberry? Red currant. Question number 34. Blackcurrant, blueberry, or blackberry? Think hard, you got this. Blackberry. Apple, red currant, or pomegranate? Pomegranate. Do you know this fruit? Tamarind, kumquat, or rhubarb? Correct. It's tamarind. Lemon, quince, or citron? Quince. Question number 37. Durian, pineapple, or mango? Durian. Question number 39. Passion fruit, prickly pear, or dragon fruit? Prickly pear. Question number 40. Loquat, peach, or persimmon? Persimmon. Take your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.